Hey guys, decided to do a small little review on this bike part. I ended up upgrading my seatpost to a, well, this one I got off of Amazon pretty cheap. It's a FXTR 480 millimeter. It doesn't look too bad. The C-clamp itself is press fitted into the tube. The tube is pretty thick gauge. Thick butted anyway. I don't know how thick it is throughout. It's way too long for what I need. I'm going to have to end up cutting it, probably right about there. But I figured I'd make a video and yeah, just to show you the quality of it. I want to cut it and see if it's the same thickness, because you know how they used to cut corners. It could be thick on the bottom and then thins out as it goes up. It's the minimal insertion line there. So unless you got a 300-pound ass, I can't see you breaking or bending this. It's pretty thick. So let me hack it off and we'll try it on the bike. Not bad. It's actually thicker as you go into the post. It's the very opposite. So that's pretty good. That's pretty thick. More than thick. Even thicker than the metal one. So anyway, let's put it on the bike and see how she looks. Not bad. At least now the seat is, as you can see, it's plumb, versus before it was always sticking up and it would come loose. So a nice upgrade from these cheap steel ones. It probably would have looked better if it was on a smaller frame where you'd have most of the, more of the post sticking out. So a lot of the graphics are covered up, but I don't care. It's way better than this. This one here is Walmart's seat post, and it kept coming loose, brand new. So at least now my seat is plumb. I don't have to worry about it sticking up or coming loose on me. Later, guys.